Let's join them.
Okay.
Ready?
I'm letting go of the
ready.
brake.
Go.
I'm letting go now.
Undone.
Okay. Is the propeller turning? Okay. Who's lowering it? You?
Yeah.
Okay. Propeller's being lowered.
No need yet. Elbows.
My elbow is here.
Down it goes.
We're down.
I'm gauging the depth. Gearing up in the front.
No steering?
Whoa.
I gave you help.
Oh my God.
No, that's not the problem, Lori.
What
He
is
means
it?
it's not turning, right? Yeah.
Again?
No, because of water. I'm going to take an oar out to assist with this.
Okay.
All right, just point it straight. Point it straight. Yeah.
Oh, it's pushing us to the right.
Oh, it is? All right,
Yeah.
turn to the left. Turn to the
Don't do
left.
that.
All right. I'll lock it in for a moment.
We're locking wood.
Yeah.
Okay. There we go. That worked a lot better all of a sudden.
Yeah, lock.
Is the problem fixed? Okay, great.
It's all fine.
Yeah.
There's stuff in the water ahead. Go to the left of it.
Do you need help going left a bit? Can you help him go to the left, Joel? Okay, we're okay. Okay. Don't go too left.
All right, turn right now.
Right is much easier than left.
Always is.
I'm putting up my hand so you won't hurt me.
For the glory!
Oh, I think the propeller broke
What?
ahead of us.
Don't scare me like that. Watch out, dude. They don't go. They don't go. Let me go around them. He said there's no propeller. So, just go around them.
You can see the earthquake damage.
Where? The cracker there?
They patched it up with concrete tubes.
Yeah.
Our mermaid's here.
Beavers are coming back to the habitat. Alan looks pretty happy here. Surprisingly warm on this chill day.
What's her name? What about Saturday? What's her name? Kate. Go to the left,
right over and this thing's got the gearing.
That?
No, not there. Where the people are. Go to that dog.
See the dog? There's the dogs.
Yeah.
Dog and black dog.
Or actually go to where, just past the bees. That's a good spot out where the other sculpture is.
There's the bees as well.
Oh.
Yeah, I don't like the regular.
You know what I'm talking about, right?
I like that spot.
Yeah, do that. Remember to gear down before we get there.
Okay.
David and you, Lori.
Okay.
I'll do the propeller.
Okay.
I'll do my world.
Alright. I'm gonna wait a little longer though.
Yeah, not yet, not yet.
Watch out for that, whatever the hell that is.
Go around it.
Yeah, I can see it.
As hard as I can.
Yeah, nice. I'll take it out there. Oh, to the isthmus.
Okay. Your judgment. I can only see half of it. There's Laura. She's ready. Here's the bees.
I'll knock the propeller at the time.
We're unlocking it. Okay.
Elbows.
Elbow in.
Alright, turn it down.
Okay.
Propeller is mobile. And going up, because I hear it.
Okay. I'm gearing down.
Everyone gear down, except me. Well, maybe a little.
I'm all the way on.
We are on land.
Okay, keep going.
Land ho!
Is the propeller hitting?
We don't need it. Propeller up!
Watch out for bumpy ass rocks.
Gearing down.
Ass rocks.
Ass rock.
Yeah.
Ah, I'm too low, I'm too low.
It's okay. It's okay. Ass rocks. Ass rocks. Let's go to rocks and other way out. Alright.
Dry land, baby.